Guys, you're forgetting what it is. Yeah. Round 2, 6th day of October, 2024, East River Flats, little tour. Driftwood over here. It's kind of a cool thing right here. Took a bunch of pictures. That's kind of a cool thing down here, but let's head on. I got plenty of cigars. Get back up in the trail, shall we? I said the Oregon coast has a lot of trails you can go off on. Appalachian Trail. You can do that in 2-week hikes. But BLM land camp on. So here we are back on the trail. That's just a beautiful day for a walk. I got really like, you know what the hell? Let's so it's a little nippy. It's not too bad. Could be wearing winter jackets. My basic jacket on. So yeah, it's just a cool walk. A little hiking adventure, right? I love doing these kind of video series. They don't get a lot, but they get some. If I encourage one person to buy a DJI 4 or a GoPro 10 and get a closed mic and go walk around, not that tough. That's the way I look at it. So you can tell how the river was up down there, way up to there. So until all these weeds and stuff. Nice day for a walk, huh? Morning. All that water rushes down from up there. One thing about anything in the mighty Mo, you don't eat anything below Monticello's nuclear plant. Nothing. Everything above it. Something big, fine, put it on your wall, but I'm gonna crawl back in there and tagged all that behavior. That's 94 up there. The Lake Street Bridge up there. Water's coming down. You can tell how dirty it is. This morning it was windy and a little cold, but I drove with my top down. The heater's for. Anybody who watches this video in the winter also, it's going to be a long time after the big Helene, whatever that hurricane that hit a couple weeks ago. And I know they're already pimping and prostituting the victims and that, hunches, and we're not going whatever. It's like, we have these natural disasters. Where's the help from the government and other governments? I remember on my podcasting day, there was a podcaster was, I think it was in Ohio or Missouri. Some town just got totally destroyed by a tornado. It was a podcaster couple who got just totally ripped. Some rocks up there, you can tell how over here. So the river kind of divides Minneapolis, St. Paul. So up there is Riverside Avenue, 25th. And I've done some videos over there. You can drive down over here. You come down over here. I did some videos over there. So but it's a cool walk. You can see it from the highway. When you go over it, I always want to come down here. So I took her down here. I was going to have her drop me off, but she's not the best at getting around. But I guarantee you this is good concrete too. There's No cracking. Good steel. Kind of see this one's kind of, you can tell. The beauty of having the mic on, I can go like this. You can follow behind me as I walk. Oh, this is a pretty cool picture I took when I was here last time. This one's kind of cool. Look at that bad boy, who's in there. We have a Christmas picture, a redwood tree hollowed out a long time ago. We were in Lake Tahoe. If you ever want to go someplace in Nevada and gamble and enjoy the scenery, and Nevada's got, it just, you don't have all the Las Vegas behavior. You've got Lake Tahoe and other things out there. It's great. So now we're going under the 94 bridge here. Beauty of this, I love my GoPro 10. Beauty of this camera, I can do probably about 6-7 videos on two batteries. Doesn't really heat up. Takes really good pictures. I take a lot of pictures for my calendar. I make one for me, and then one for my sister and her friend. People don't want to buy. I know a lot of people at Wandering Gypsy and other people, and all these other people make calendars. And they're not going to pay $25 for a calendar. You can get them for free. And tagging up there, I think they painted over that some up there. Yeah, that's a straight walk up there. East River Road's up there. These are kind of cool. So they got up there, did some tagging under the bridge there. They have a fence there to block off. So there was some guy that was tagging under a bridge somewhere. I don't know, St. Paul or something. And he's tagging, and he falls in the river, okay, and dies. And they were going to name a park after the guy. What for? He made a poor choice. You know, I do some hiking in some areas. I fell down a place out in Minneapolis, almost killed myself, but I'm not going to be going under a bridge to tag. It's like, no, don't reward the guy. Look at that stuff. Holy moly. Yeah, it's down the old Mighty Mo. See, that guy's biking over there, you can kind of see. So you can go either way, come down that way, or you go over there, go across that bridge, and then you can bike down there. I think I've said the story before. George Sordell Destroyers were in town about 10 years ago, and his guitar tech talked about it. He did 2 shows here, and he brought his bike. And he was just amazed at how much biking you could do on the Mighty Mo. Because if you're downtown, you get in the Mighty Mo, you can go north or south, go for a long, long ways. It's the beauty. I was up in Grand Rapids. I did some videos up there for work at one time. That was kind of fun. You can kind of see up in there all that. Because St. Paul has a lot of caves that they filled in. I think I told you before. Party Cave was a size football field. They filled it in with construction equipment. Again, that's the history of St. Paul. Al Capone used it for liquor. You know. And here we are in 2024, and they passed the GEEF law. I'm not going to be smoking marijuana. Hey, real quick, if you've gone this far in the video, go watch on Aaron Hernandez, The Gladiator. There's 8 episodes on YouTube. Type it in. It's like 8 years old. They broke down his whole career, and it's really good. They did a great job. Because when he was 17, the Pouncey brothers were in a bar, and someone ripped a necklace off somebody in the bar, and it all broke out. The guy said a Hispanic guy shot 2 people, but then he backtracked on it. Like, he might have been in that one too as well. And the gang, Mr. Urban Meyer, was asked if he would do anything different with him. He long pause and said no. It's really good if you want to listen to something good. But Kind of see the trees are starting to turn. And then they jump over here. They go over there and they tag. Oh, that's a voltage area. That's probably a cell phone tower. But you can tell people go anywhere, anytime, and try to tag things. So, great day for a walk, huh?
Yeah.
They'll tag anything. This tree, it's dying or not, I don't know. We spent like $5 grand on our yard taking out trees. Neighborhood, it's an elm or something. They're all dying in our neighborhood. The Buffalo Man wife is getting railed. Okay, nice. Oh, I see. So you could probably go down here and walk over to there if they want to get there. I wonder how far that goes. But well, I'll kind of finish this one out. We'll kind of go over here and see where it goes. So I want to walk up those stairs and come on down. See, you can come on down here and go fishing. Come on down here, smoke some, get a bowl, weed. Go underneath there. So yeah, this is how you get down here. Anyways, guys, so we came on down here to finish out the video, the second one. So, all right, guys, here we are in the flats. See you the next one. Round 2 in the books.